Unlock success with Samuel F. Robinson. GetAIKeys presents Print on Demand for expert guidance in transforming your business. Ever wondered how you can create and sell your own custom products online? Well, the answer lies in the revolutionary concept of print on demand and the power of artificial intelligence. In the world of e-commerce, print on demand has emerged as a game changer. It's a business model that allows you to create custom products, from apparel and accessories to drinkware and housewares, and sell them online without worrying about inventory or upfront costs. The beauty of print on demand is that it takes care of everything from production to fulfillment and shipping. You simply need to focus on creating captivating designs and marketing your products. Now, here's where artificial intelligence comes into play. The process of creating unique designs for your products can be time-consuming and daunting, especially if you're not a professional graphic designer. This is where AI can be your secret weapon. AI technology has the power to generate unique and visually appealing designs based on certain parameters. This means you can have a plethora of original designs at your disposal, ready to be printed on your products. For solopreneurs, this combination of print on demand and AI is a golden opportunity. It not only simplifies the process of creating and selling products online, but also opens up a world of endless possibilities. With the right approach, you can create a successful business offering a wide range of custom products that cater to diverse consumer preferences. Now that you have a basic understanding of print on demand and AI, let's dive into the process. Samuel F. Robinson assists clients in completing the process with your GetAIKeys portal access. First things first, you need an online store. Now let's dive into the details. Setting up an online store is a crucial step in launching your print-on-demand business. It's your digital storefront, an online space where your products can shine and attract potential customers. But remember, not all platforms are created equal, each offering a unique blend of features and benefits. Choosing the right platform can feel like navigating a maze. Fear not, for we have a guiding light. Consider platforms like CustomCat, a beacon in the bustling e-commerce landscape. It's a platform where you can create, customize, and sell a diverse range of products, from apparel to accessories, drinkware to housewares, and more. One of the primary advantages of using a platform like CustomCat is its ability to integrate seamlessly with other e-commerce platforms. It's like a master key, unlocking doors to various online marketplaces, helping you reach a wider audience and increase your sales potential. But the benefits don't stop there. With CustomCat, you only need to purchase products as they sell. It's like having a magical inventory that never runs out, saving you from the headaches of stock management. Plus, they handle fulfillment and shipping, leaving you with more time to focus on what you do best, creating unique designs and growing your business. CustomCat also provides an array of resources to help you navigate the e-commerce waters. From marketing and e-commerce tips to guides for selling success, it's like having an experienced sailor on board your ship, guiding you through the turbulent seas of online business. Remember, setting up your online store is not just about selling products, it's about creating an experience for your customers. It's about showcasing your unique designs, narrating your brand's story, and building a community around your products. So, choose a platform that not only allows you to sell, but also empowers you to thrive in the dynamic world of e-commerce. Once you have your online store set up, you're ready to start creating custom products. And that, my friends, is where the real fun begins. Now comes the exciting part, creating your custom products. Imagine wielding the power of a team of talented designers, all working tirelessly to generate unique and high-quality designs for your products. But instead of a busy office, you have an artificial intelligence or AI right at your fingertips. So how does this work exactly? Well, AI is a technology that can learn, reason, and self-correct. In the context of design, it can analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns and trends, and then apply this knowledge to create designs that are both unique and appealing. It's like having a super smart, ultra-efficient design assistant who never sleeps or takes coffee breaks. To start, you feed the AI with a brief or some keywords related to your product. It could be as simple as summer, vintage, or minimalist. The AI then processes this information and starts to generate designs. The beauty of it is that AI doesn't get tired or run out of ideas. It can generate hundreds, even thousands of designs in the time it would take a human designer to create one. And the more you use it, the better it gets, as it learns from every design it creates. But what if you don't like the designs it produces? No problem. You can tweak the parameters, feed it different keywords, or change the brief, and the AI will happily generate a new batch of designs. It's a bit like having a magic design wand, isn't it? But it's not all about speed and volume. Quality matters too, and this is where AI really shines. It can create designs that are not just visually appealing, but also tailored to your target market. It does this by analyzing trends and consumer data, ensuring your designs are not just beautiful, but also relevant and likely to sell. Now you're probably wondering, am I still needed in this process? Absolutely. The AI is a tool, a very powerful tool, but it still needs your guidance and your vision. You're the one who sets the direction, and the AI is there to help you bring it to life. With your designs ready, it's time to put them on your products. With your unique designs in hand, it's time to bring your products to life. Indeed, the magic happens when your art meets the right product. Whether you're aiming for trendy t-shirts, chic tote bags, or cozy home goods, there's a vast array of possibilities waiting for you. Applying your designs to products is as simple as a few clicks. Start by selecting the type of product you want to customize on the platform. Each product category has a plethora of options. For instance, if you choose apparel, you can pick from t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, and so much more. After selecting your product, it's time to upload your design. Look for the Upload Design button and pick the design file from your device. Remember, the quality of your print depends on the quality of the design file, so always use high-resolution images to ensure your designs look their best. Once your design is uploaded, you can adjust its placement on the product. You can move it around, resize it, or even rotate it until it looks just right. This step is crucial, as the placement of your design can significantly impact the overall appeal of your product. Now let's talk about color. Many products come in a variety of colors. You can select the base color that complements your design best. This is where your creativity can truly shine. Imagine a vibrant design on a black hoodie or a minimalist design on a white mug. The combinations are endless. Once you're satisfied with how your product looks, you can add it to your store. Repeat the process for each product you want to offer. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Offering a wide range of products not only gives your customers more choices, but also increases your chances of making a sale. In the world of print on demand, the product is your canvas, and the design is your masterpiece. It's a beautiful symmetry that brings together creativity and commerce in the most delightful way. After applying your designs, you're ready to start selling. Your unique products are now ready to capture hearts and command attention. So let's dive into the next exciting phase, marketing and selling your products. You've created your products, now it's time to get them in front of customers. The world of marketing may seem intimidating, but fear not. It's all about understanding your audience, finding the right channels to reach them, and communicating the value of your products in a way that resonates with them. Firstly, let's talk about social media. It's a powerful tool for promoting your products. You can create engaging posts, showcasing your designs, run contests to stir up excitement, or even collaborate with influencers in your niche to extend your reach. Remember, the key with social media is consistency. Regularly sharing interesting and relevant content can help you build a loyal following. Paid advertising is another effective strategy. Platforms like Facebook and Google offer targeted advertising options that can help you reach potential customers based on their interests, location, and more. While this requires an investment, it can be a quick way to drive traffic to your store and increase sales. But what about the logistics? Well, that's where platforms like CustomCat come in. Once you've made a sale, they handle everything from printing to shipping. This means you can focus on what matters most, creating great designs and marketing your products. There's also the option of email marketing. By collecting email addresses from your website visitors, you can send them regular updates about new designs, special offers, and more. This is a great way to keep your brand at the forefront of their minds and encourage repeat purchases. Finally, don't forget the power of good old word of mouth. Encourage your happy customers to share their experiences with friends and family. A personal recommendation can be more persuasive than any advertising campaign. With these tools and strategies in hand, you're well on your way to running a successful print-on-demand business. So go forth, market like a pro, and watch as your creations find their way into the hands of eager customers around the world. Unlock success with Samuel F. Robinson. Join GetAIKeys.com today for expert guidance in transforming your business.